Fiona time! Wick moved Fiona over here over the weekend, and she got hot. Right, Wiki?
Yeah.
Wick's moving the lift because he's He-Man. Fiona's in the air.
Yeah, one rust bubbles at the bottom of this door I never noticed before.
There's all kinds of lovely horse shit right here, but you guys have seen this in the videos before because I did this in your driveway.
Yeah.
I'm happy it drove here.
Yeah. Like she's
Oh, that's cute.
axle leak or something there.
It's either axle or brake fluid. Turn the light on. That's brake fluid.
Right, wheels on there.
Yeah. Diff's leaking too though, so don't worry.
Yeah, this leak and it needs a rear pinion seal. I know that much. I think I have that. I'm pretty sure I ordered one.
Hey, that's a Justin job right there.
Pinion seal?
Pull that third member out because it's leaking fucking all the way around the housing. Just pull the axles, pull that out, and just throw the chunk to Justin. Boom.
Yeah.
I've never been this far under it.
Me neither.
I mean, you've never seen the bottom of the car, I don't think.
Not really.
How long have you had it?
Yeah, 3 years.
Oh, Jesus. Hey, Wick. Coolant on your tie rod end.
That's nice.
Oh, fuck. Oh, that's
Yeah, this
it's wet.
I guess this is the master cylinder. That looks a little funky.
Let's see what we got here. Yeah, that's fucking cute.
Yeah.
Lovely work by a place. Starts with an O and ends in a...
A lot of money.
Yeah.
Ends in a lot of money.
Yeah. Wow, there's some sweet butt connectors up there from fucking Walmart.
Nice. It's the best way to do electrical work, you know? You're guaranteed to have a future issue that way.
Oh.
That's a good thing about it.
Keeps customer coming back.
Now, I wonder if the clutch is shot in this thing or if it's just an adjustment. Oh. Yeah. Not much adjustment left, is there?
So we're gonna say the clutch is fucked. I'm betting.
I'm betting too. What's all that liquid?
That's gear oil for sure. It's coming out of this plug here. And the motor oil's leaking
Man,
too.
we got a little work to do on this. Fiona.
Fiona, we have a lot to
What
do.
happened to you? Where'd all that? Yeah, the shit ton of.
Oh, poor baby.
Hey, poor thing. I wonder if that heater box is leaking, or why do we have so much coolant back here?
Because it proceeded to blow its load. But oh, I have my coolant pressure tester. We should pressure test it, Wick.
You want to?
Yeah, let's fucking do
Oh,
that.
the cool thing that he put on, that cool Rolls-Royce
Rolls Royce, yeah, right.
tube.
Yeah.
Check it out.
Where?
See about that halfway up where that light's pointed?
You mean the piece that looks like a dryer duct?
Yeah, and see how it's got holes in it?
That's fucking lovely. Oh,
Yeah, that's nice. It looks new.
that's lovely.
I'm guessing it's been rubbing on that bolt right there.
Or it just wasn't actually replaced.
Nah, well, there's that too.
It's my ISC.
It had a metal one on there, so he did change it out. Oh man.
bushings. Hey, Wick. We have to do everything.
Pretty much. It's not looking good.
It's
at
like
all.
the GTO. Yeah. But even harder to get shit for.
Probably.
Fuck. Oh, little Fiona. Little Fiona.
What's that leak up there? Is this a proportioning valve? What the hell is this?
Where we at?
This guy here.
That's the master?
So how do you get fluid in it?
It's gotta be reservoir.
Yeah, the reservoir's up top, I guess, and it must
It's
come
got a
down
line.
through this
Yeah.
massive line right there.
Look at this hillbilly horse shit.
Yeah. That looks factory stock.
That's OEM, I swear to God. Look at this copper tube. They must have, did you steal that from somebody's heater?
I think so.
Oh, God.
Yeah, that bad boy's leaking. No wonder the brakes aren't great.
Yeah, what's leaking? Everything.
Yeah, what's not leaking?
Yeah,
That's a better question.
that's actually a good one.
Where's that throttle linkage deal?
It's over there.
There it is. Holy
Oop.
shit, that's not going to be easy to get to from anywhere.
Well, wait,
This is it right here.
we've got about 9,700 other things to do, too, so.
Yeah. That's just a new development. That cute little solenoid cover.
I'm looking at up here. I don't know how that's holding. Oh, God, focus, damn you! I don't want to. Okay, that right there. I'm gonna zoom to it too. Oh, there we go. That appears to be like the water. You know how the water goes through, so when it's cold, it warms up the carburetor.
Uh-huh.
There's seriously a piece on there that's bronze or something, and it's all corroded. It looks like the Statue of Liberty.
Well, that probably is not helping the leakage issue.
No. Oh, let's pressure test this thing, eh?
All
What'd you
right.
find, Wick?
I found this bungee cord. This guy.
I wonder what that's holding on. Was that holding the trans to the cross member?
Maybe.
Oh, that's fucking $100.
What the fuck?
Oh my God.
I haven't ever seen anything like that. I gotta say, that's a...
Not anywhere but the racetrack. We've done that shit, but we do that to keep it in gear when the shifter's fucked up.
Yeah.
But you know. Oh my God.
Like, they adjusted this so far back, they left a nut off and the cotter pin because they thought they could eke a little bit more out of that clutch.
So we need a clutch.
We need a clutch.
We need everything.
Oh, shit. Thanks.